So today we're discussing sculpture fundamentals. Form, content, and technique are your three sculpture fundamentals. Form is the total mass of the structure. Content is the emotion or the message that the sculptor or the artist intends to convey. And then technique is basically how a sculptor uses the materials and the tools to the best of their ability. So it's the way that they use their materials. So again, we have form, content, and technique. This is an artwork by Ken Little. It's called The Elements of Progress, Dreams Escape. It was made in the year 1990. This kind of installation demands that a viewer is involved with it and react to it. So you can see that this is an installation inside of a space and a room where the viewers are expected to interact and walk around the objects. Installation artwork requires that an artist think about not just form, content, and technique, but also the space that it's interacting with. What is your reaction to this work? Think about it and answer on the next slide.